Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I'm doing a DIY foodie challenge and it's a watermelon. The hosts are Nadia, DIY with Nadia, and Sandra from the Schwowin'snest. Wonderful crafters, very, very talented ladies. If you haven't seen their channel, I would suggest going over and visiting both. I hope you enjoy what I'm creating today. Okay, I took two of these patriotic signs. That one I've already cut. And here I'm showing you these. These were out this summer. And I'm cutting the edge off. I drew a line and now I'm cutting the edge off with my finger X-Acto blade. And it's best just to do a little section at a time. And I'm pulling the paper off. Because I really do need both sides. Now what I'm doing is just sanding down the edges, trying to make it smoother, and sanding down some of this paper. Trying to get off the stickies from the sticker. Sometimes they just put those on too much for Dollar Tree. Okay, here I'm drawing out an edge to make the rind of the watermelon. I've got a Waverly chalk paint in crimson. I'm painting the main body with. I have this little crate I picked up at the thrift store. I think last time I went, and I'm just painting the ends of it. Painting the inside. Okay, and if you've noticed, I didn't paint the sides, just the ends and the inside, because that's where I'm going to glue the watermelons to. Okay, give them another coat. Giving the crate another coat. Crate doesn't have to be covered, you know, really perfectly. Boy, I was getting close to the end of that bottle of paint. Okay, now I'm putting some, this apple barrel, just a grass green on the edge for the rind. What I do on one, I have to do on the other. Now I'm covering the backs. See how I'm beating that paint out of there? I even put a tiny bit of water in there to make it go farther. And when I first opened it up, it was so thick I had to put a little water in there to thin it out. I guess that's what happens when you've had it for about a year. Okay, now I'm doing what they call double loading. I load green on one side and white on the other side. And then I run it on the plate to help blend it. What it does is it creates a softer effect between the transition of the green and the white. And you need a flat brush to do this. You can't do it with any other brush. And so can you see how that's making it softer? Now for the other one. Got an acrylic paint, red that I'm putting on there. Dipping one side in white and dipping the other side in red. And coming down and softening the line between the red and the white. Okay, now I'm painting some seeds in there with the black acrylic. And here it is all finished. I put a little bit of a highlight on. I thought I had it when I was gluing it on, and I looked over and after it was glued on, and I didn't have the button on. Thanks for watching.